Colorado are now struggling to find enough family practice doctors to serve the community. But today brought a graduation celebration for the Peak Vista Family Residency program, class of 2021. KRDO News Channel 13's Jasmine Arenas is at the Cheyenne Mountain Resort where they held that ceremony.
For this new generation of doctors, training during a pandemic has been difficult, but after a long and grueling year, they say they feel more prepared than ever. Walking on stage and officially earning the title of doctor is a moment these 6 doctors have been waiting for.
It's really exciting. It's a little bit surreal. It hasn't really clicked that this is our first day that we're not going back to our regular clinic and our regular training, and that we'll be practicing independently.
Before this class of 2021, on their last year of their family residency program.
During the pandemic, there have been some significant changes, which many physicians here in town have experienced.
There was a huge curveball thrown at them.
They had to go through the pandemic. They had to adapt more than some.
Learning to practice medicine through perhaps one of the most difficult times in this era.
Affected us in different ways than the rest of the community, I think, because there are still always patients that need care. We were actually busier and never at home or never quarantined at home during the pandemic.
Adapting and learning along with the rest of the world.
It was also transitioned a lot of our care to being telecare visits or phone visits to try to keep people safe at their homes if it was possible. So it was a big transition for us as residents, but also in medicine in general.
It was an eye-opening experience for some, but it reminded them of how crucial their jobs are.
With this, worldwide disease that's taken place, it's kind of refocused medical students, trainees, physicians, and just healthcare workers alike into knowing that they are part of a profession that is bigger than themselves.
Now, according to Peak Vista Community Health Care Center, 65% of doctors who have studied at their family residency program typically stay and practice in the Colorado Springs area. Since they started their program in 2016 due to the ongoing staff shortages in the healthcare system. Reporting in Colorado Springs, I'm Jasmine Arenas for KRDO News Channel 13.
Much needed resource out there. Well, now